Would you like to gain access to our community of private investors and family offices, close more deals, and learn more about the current investment landscape? Join the Family Office Club on September 8th for the Capital Raiser Hot Seat Workshop. This highly interactive virtual workshop will provide 12 of our Family Office Club members with live feedback about their investor relations and capital raising strategy. Our team will provide detailed feedback and practical suggestions to investment structures, marketing materials, unique value propositions, and tax considerations for building investor momentum on a variety and discuss a variety of capital raising strategies. We'll be reviewing real deals in detail, live. Whether you're new to our community or have attended 50 or more of our events over the last decade, this event will be dynamic, unique, and give you the tools to remove potential friction points that may be driving away investors and hurting your ability to close a deal. Participants and hot seat members will include private companies, syndicators, fund managers, and sponsors. Reach out today to RSVP to this one-of-a-kind Family Office Club virtual event, and we'll see you Wednesday, September 8th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the Capital Raiser Hot Seat Workshop.